Shri Satya Sai Baba, Governor of Karnataka, Srimati Rama Devi, Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri S.M. Krishna, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Vilas Rao Deshmukh, sisters and brothers, I am honored by Bhagwan Satya Sai Baba's decision to invite me to inaugurate this magnificent temple of healing that he has built in the capital of Karnataka. I have visited this temple, his temple of learning at Prasanth Nilayam several times. I have also seen his super speciality hospital at Puttaparthi. I had then remarked to myself that the people of Andhra Pradesh were lucky to have such a magnificent hospital. I am glad that a neighboring Karnataka too can now share in the spiritual and physical well-being that Bhagwan generates. Friends, I have seen many hospitals in India and abroad. In some of them, I have also been a patient, as was the case most recently at Breach Candy Hospital in Mumbai. However, I can honestly say that I have rarely seen a hospital so magnificent, so grand, and so breathtaking beautiful as this one. When I first saw the photographs of this institution, I told myself that this cannot be a hospital. Rather, it looked like a palace, but a palace with a difference, a palace of healing that is equally accessible to the poor as it is to the rich. I use the word palace deliberately, for Baba is truly an empire of the soul, an empire that knows no national boundaries and no divisions of caste, creed or color. From what I know of the meticulous care with which Bhagwan runs every institution of his, and he runs an incredibly large number of them, I am confident that the insides of this hospital will more than match its outsides. As always, he has assembled a team of the best doctors and staff. Again, as always, many of them are voluntarily offering their services to Baba and to the people. The high domed prayer and meditation hall in the center of the building alone makes this place a unique combination of temple and hospital. It will surely generate tranquility and hope in patients' minds. Sanctified by divinity, it will encourage the curing of diseases, not merely of the body, but of the mind and the spirit as well. Friends, to me, what makes this hospital unique is the largely free services by which the poor too may get the same 5-star health care as the rich do. There are many private hospitals in our country in big cities whose doors are closed even to the middle class. The rich too will be a good deal poorer in the wallet when they take treatment from these hospitals. By setting up this hospital, Baba has shown that just as the doors of a temple do not recognize the feet of a rich or a poor, so too should a good hospital offer its services to all those who need them. Baba's ideal, which is also my ideal, is best expressed in a Sanskrit shloka, Na tvam kamaye rajyam, na swargam, na cha punarbhavam, kamaye dukkha taptanam, pranenam artanashanam. It means I long for neither state power nor for heaven or reincarnation. My only desire is to see that the sufferings of all living beings are removed. One of the many things that impresses me about Baba's institutions is how spotlessly clean every nook and corner is, although thousands of people visit them every day. Here too we can learn from Baba and his devotees. मैं दो शब्द हिंदी में भी कहना चाहूँगा। हम दवा के लिए अस्पताल में जाते हैं, लेकिन जब मर्ज बहुत बिगड़ जाता है, डॉक्टर हथियार डाल देते हैं, आशा निराशा में बदल जाती है, तब फिर दवा काम नहीं आती, दुआ काम आती है। ये ऐसा अस्पताल है, अनूठा अस्पताल है, जहाँ दवा भी है और दुआ भी है, जहाँ वेणुगोपाल जैसे डॉक्टर भी हैं और बाबा जैसे संत महात्मा भगवान भी हैं, जो आशीर्वाद से लोगों के जख्मों पर मरहम रख सकते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।